Good morning, Alex. It feels a little cold today, doesn't it? The sky is full of clouds, but the park is still very beautiful.
Good morning, Sophia. Yes, it is a cool and cloudy morning. I think the fresh air feels nice, especially for a walk in the park.
I agree. I like mornings like this because they are calm and quiet. The weather is not too bad, but I think I need a warmer jacket.
That is true. The wind is a little stronger than I expected today. I almost wore a lighter shirt, but I changed my mind before I left home.
You made a good choice. I checked the weather on my phone before coming here, and it said it might stay cloudy all day. It also said the temperature would not go very high.
Then this cool weather may stay with us for a while. I do not mind that at all. After many hot days, a cooler morning feels relaxing to me.
Really? I am a little different. I usually like warm and sunny weather more because it makes me feel cheerful and full of energy. Cloudy days can feel a bit slow to me.
I understand that. Sunny weather is great for many things, and it can improve your mood. Still, I enjoy cool weather because I can walk longer and feel more comfortable outside.
That makes sense. When the weather is too hot, I get tired quickly. I also do not like sweating when I just want to enjoy a peaceful walk.
Exactly. In summer, even a short walk can feel difficult in the afternoon. That is why I usually go out early in the morning or later in the evening.
Morning is my favorite time too. The air feels cleaner and the park is less crowded. I can hear the birds better when there are not many people around.
Yes, mornings have a special feeling. Everything seems slower and softer. Even a simple walk can feel like a very good start to the day.
By the way, what kind of weather do you like most? Do you prefer sunny days, rainy days, windy days, or cold days? I am curious about your answer.
My favorite weather is cool and sunny weather. I like it when the sky is blue, the sun is gentle, and the air is fresh. It feels perfect for walking, reading outside, or having coffee on a bench.
That sounds lovely. My favorite weather is warm and sunny, but not too hot. I enjoy wearing light clothes, taking pictures, and spending more time outdoors when the sun is bright.
That sounds very nice too. Sunny days make everything look more colorful. People also seem happier when the weather is bright and pleasant.
Yes, I think so. On sunny days, I like to go to the park, ride my bike, or meet friends for a picnic. Sometimes I just sit outside and enjoy the light on the trees.
I do similar things. I often go jogging, take long walks, or visit an outdoor market. If I have enough free time, I also enjoy driving to the beach on a sunny weekend.
The beach sounds wonderful. I love hearing the waves and feeling the sun on my face. Warm weather always makes me want to travel somewhere beautiful.
I know that feeling. Good weather makes people want to move, explore, and stay outside longer. It can really change the way a day feels.
What about rainy days? Do you like them or do you find them annoying? I have mixed feelings about rain, to be honest.
I like rain when I am indoors and have nothing urgent to do. The sound of rain can be peaceful, and it makes me want to drink coffee and read a book. But I do not enjoy rain when I need to drive or run errands.
I feel the same. Rain is nice when I am at home with tea, music, and a blanket. But when I forget my umbrella and my shoes get wet, I stop enjoying it very quickly.
That happens to everyone sometimes. A rainy day can feel romantic and calm, or very inconvenient. It really depends on where you are and what you need to do.
Exactly. On rainy days, I usually stay inside, watch movies, clean my room, or cook something simple. I also like listening to soft music while looking out the window.
That sounds like a comfortable day. When it rains, I often stay home and make soup, answer emails, or catch up on reading. If the rain is light, I sometimes still go for a short walk with an umbrella.
That is brave. I usually avoid going outside in the rain unless I really have to. I do not like cold rain on my hands and face.
I can understand that. Cold rain is not fun at all. But a light rain in the morning can make the trees, grass, and flowers look very fresh.
That is true. After the rain, the park always smells so clean and natural. I really love that part, especially when the clouds begin to open and the sun comes out again.
Yes, that moment is beautiful. The world looks washed and quiet. Sometimes the light after the rain is even prettier than before the rain started.
Now I want to ask you about the seasons. Which season do you like best? I think every season has something special, but I still have a favorite.
My favorite season is autumn. I like the cool air, the soft sunlight, and the changing colors of the leaves. Autumn feels calm, mature, and very comfortable to me.
Autumn is beautiful and the colors are amazing. My favorite season is spring because everything feels new and fresh. The flowers bloom, the days get warmer, and people seem more cheerful.
Spring is a lovely season too. It has a hopeful feeling, like a new beginning. I enjoy seeing more green in the trees and longer days after winter.
Yes, spring always gives me more motivation. I want to go out more, start new plans, and enjoy nature. It feels like the whole world is waking up again.
That is a wonderful way to describe it. Winter is probably my most difficult season, although I still like some parts of it. I enjoy warm drinks, heavy coats, and quiet evenings, but I do not enjoy icy wind.
Winter is hard for me too. I like cozy clothes, warm socks, and hot chocolate. But I do not like waking up when the room feels freezing. Cold mornings make me want to stay in bed.
That is very normal. On cold days, I usually exercise indoors, drink more coffee, and try to stay warm. I also enjoy cooking something hot like pasta, soup, or roasted vegetables.
That sounds delicious. On cold days, I like staying at home, reading, and wrapping myself in a blanket. Sometimes I bake cookies because the kitchen feels warm and happy.
Fresh cookies on a cold day sound perfect. Weather really changes our habits, doesn't it? We eat different food, wear different clothes, and choose different activities depending on the day.
Yes, it really does. Even my mood can change with the weather. When the sun is out, I feel more active. But when the sky is gray for too long, I feel a little sleepy.
I think many people feel that way. Weather is such a simple topic, but it is connected to daily life in many ways. It affects our plans, our energy, and even our conversations.
That is true, and I am happy we talked about it today. It is a simple topic, but it is very useful in real life. People talk about the weather almost every day.
They certainly do. It is one of the easiest ways to start a friendly conversation. And today, the weather gave us a very good reason to stop and chat here in the park.
I am glad it did. Talking with you made this cloudy morning feel warmer and brighter. Now I think I will enjoy the weather more instead of complaining about it.
I am glad to hear that, Sophia. Sometimes a good conversation changes the whole mood of the day. Even a cold and cloudy morning can feel pleasant with the right company.
That is very kind of you to say. I think I will walk a little longer before I go home. The air still feels cold, but now it feels fresh and peaceful too.
That sounds like a good plan. I will walk a bit more as well before I head to work. Let's hope the clouds stay light and the day becomes even nicer.
Yes, let's hope so. Maybe the sun will come out later and surprise us. Have a great day, Alex, and enjoy the rest of your morning.
Thank you, Sophia. Have a lovely day too, and stay warm out here. I hope we meet again soon for another simple and pleasant talk.